Alright boys, it's the beginning of another week in the crypto space, and it might be a doozy because we do have the Fed meeting this week. Who am I kidding? It's still September, and we've got the BlackRock deadline coming up next month, so really, like I keep saying, none of this shit is gonna matter. This morning we did have a little bit of a wick here on the daily chart, and Bitcoin got up to about $27,500, but now it's dipped back down about $1,000 and we're sitting at 26.8 at the time of recording. So basically we're just continuing to move in this sideways range. But what can you do during September while you just wait for those gains? Well, you can work on other gains, like these ones, baby. I'm talking to you, Porpet. You need to get back to the gym. I see that you've been slacking over here in the Discord, and I need you to step it up, buddy. The bull market's coming back soon, and we're all gonna make it, so you know you want to be in shape when you hit the gym on vacation, baby. Let's go. But in the meantime, if we actually close this candle the way it looks right now, that might be what they call a shooting star, which could send us back down to this green line, maybe even tomorrow. But usually if we do pump into the Fed meeting, then that means we're going to have a little bit of a dip afterwards or during, and vice versa. So hopefully we do have a little bit of a retracement tomorrow, really, before Wednesday, so that we'll be having a slight dip going into the Fed meeting, and then hopefully we'll have a rebound sending us for a higher high here. But that's obviously all just speculation. Recently in my videos, I was talking about how the FTX liquidation probably wasn't going to be very effective in dumping the market. And it looks like now we're starting to have some more confirmation, because if you don't believe me, then maybe you'll believe one of the biggest crypto exchanges out there, Coinbase. According to this article on CoinDesk, FTX's crypto liquidation sales are unlikely to cause a market shock, according to Coinbase. It says a large part of FTX's Solana holdings are actually locked up until 2025 as part of the token's vesting schedule, as are some other tokens that need to be sold. So like I said, all of this stuff isn't going to be being dumped on the market all at the same time, and we always hear stories like this of somebody going to be liquidating a whole big heap of cryptocurrency and it's all going to crash the market. But it always turns out to be BS, and I just think that this is basically a trading opportunity because of the sheep out there. For some reason, it seems that the majority of people still listen to the mainstream narrative. But whatever, they can do them, I guess. Luckily, you're subscribed to this channel so that you can get the real information. Moving on. This week we do have the FOMC meeting, and that's going to be on Wednesday, so basically everybody's going to be talking about that, and whenever it's over, that's what people are going to be talking about until the BlackRock deadline. And that's really just how it's going to be, because it is September, I guess. But we do have the end of the year coming up where people are going to have to rebalance their balance sheets. And then next year we have an election, so that means the government's going to be spending all kinds of money. And it's just a matter of time until this thing breaks out and goes parabolic. So September is just something we got to deal with. And in my opinion, bullish times are right around the corner. Right now, there's a 99% chance that they're not going to be doing a rate hike. And in my opinion, the Fed is probably going to be sounding exactly like he's been sounding in all of his Fed meetings for about the past year. And they're going to continue saying that they're dedicated to bringing down inflation to 2% or whatever. And it might bring unemployment up somewhat, but who really cares? Like I said, their government is just going to continue to print money. And there's not really anything that they can do to avoid that. So it's just a matter of time until they have to start adding back to their balance sheet. And whenever this BlackRock ETF gets approved, all of that money is going to be pouring into the crypto space, and we're all going to be along for the ride. The next deadline looks like it's actually the Bitwise Bitcoin ETP Trust refiling. And that's coming up on the 16th. But these are all really just deadlines, and I think that GPTC one might be coming up before these. But it doesn't matter, because the decisions could actually be made before these deadlines, and it could come up at any time. But we'll probably be getting a decision on all of them all at the same time, like we did last time, whenever the SEC decided to delay it until the next time. And they came out in one statement saying that all of these ETFs were delayed until October, so I pretty much expect the same thing to happen next time. Hopefully it won't be delayed though. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Are you as ready for September to end as I am? Either way, don't forget I've got new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and there's early access on X. Also, you can get real-time updates and just chat with the community in my Discord. It's free, and there's a link down in the description. Plus, if you want to support my channel, there's gear over at onlygoodcrypto.com, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, or follow on X. But most importantly, don't forget to have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. This is Abisu. He's named after one of the 7 lucky gods of Japan. According to legend, he will bring wealth and prosperity to anybody who evokes his name. So don't forget to write his name in the comments, or you'll bring dishonor to your whole portfolio. And check out this video right here. Say goodbye, Abisu.